Hello and good morning. Welcome to 139 Hogarth Avenue, which is for sale. Yippee! And 139 is only 6 houses from Withrow Park, which is right there, the main entrance of Withrow Park. What you are participating in now is my quick buyer's tour. So I'm going to try and point out as many disclosures as possible, but I'm going to speak quickly and I'm going to run through a little bit. So I'm not going to get as fancy, but let's talk about the front porch, which was totally redone. Okay, it's an all brick semi-detached. A lot of original character, including the front door and the windows on the first floor. A lot of them are totally original. You are going to see that a lot of the brickwork through to the back is this old brick, which does absorb some water, but it also is a little messy and it's a little uneven. But the brick itself all the way back is in really great shape. We're going to find some spalling just down there a little bit. All the downspouts either go into the city storm sewers, or in this case they can be diverted into this. This is where you keep your garbage cans. Please note that the lot line is almost virtually to this edge of this house, just about 6 inches out from that. So this is a private, no right-of-way pathway. That is a very old air conditioner, as is. It apparently works, but I'm going to say as is. Okay, let's do the exterior first really quickly. So as I said, there's a little bit of uneven stuff here, but the parging is good. Maybe and there's an old window in that front basement window. This is a newer window. You might want to put a little caulking in here if you end up successfully buying the house. There's a hose bib here. This is an addition. So we are getting you can see, because the unevenness of this is going to be a little pooling here and there. There's some storage under the walkout deck. And again, we've got this red brick cobble, which I really enjoy, but it is a little uneven. So if you've got a grandparent over here, then you might find it a little tough to be walking around. Even worse here, but this is a parking pad. Right now there's only an entrance for one car and a pretty rickety fence and gate, although it does open. Both doors do open all the way and you can get a vehicle in, no problem. If you want 2 vehicles, you have to do a little bit of pruning and a little bit of rejigging. That is not included, but it does sit on a fantastic concrete pad, so you got nothing to worry about what's under that. We got some privacy cedars here. And of course, there's no fence on this side, but to give you an idea of where the lot is, we're about there, okay? So you can see from here, the addition on the back. This is a very deep lot. It's over 130 feet deep. And it is laneway approved for a laneway suite. We are south facing. God love it. Beautiful day, beautiful morning, and lots of room back here. Lots of room to either expand this house or to build a very large laneway suite and garage. Okay, so we'll talk a bit about the house from the inside. All right, now we're heading in through this beautiful old door, original door with the brass letter slot. We have a quick alcove with some coat hangers, a tile floor, and a lot of the old formats. So the doors are removed, but we have a dining room that has the stained glass above there, wood trim still maintained, a fantastic decorative fireplace right here, original, and brick mantle. Nice size, nice shape, flowing into the living room. All this hardwood was replaced. Ceiling light fixtures, all the wiring's updated. Older windows here. So those are actually just the 3 older windows. And then we get into kind of slightly newer, much newer, but not brand new windows after that. So there is this closet under the stairs, which could be used as a clothing closet or a pantry or both. And then we're right into this pretty significant size, brightly lit kitchen that is being updated a few times. These cabinets underneath are kind of original, so they're not perfect. They have these old hinges, and they're I don't want to say, there's a little scrappy, but they're highly functional. They work well, but they're not some Italian fancy stuff. However, this countertop is all quartz and has been replaced and updated. You can replace, I would recommend you replace the cabinets entirely with new ones, although you can also just redrawer and redoor them. We have inside this quartz countertop, a lovely undermount sink with a new faucet. We have the backsplash in the same quartz. We have a newer KitchenAid all stainless dishwasher and a gas range with a brand new hood that vents directly outside, as you can see, directs outside. Then we have this great little area, prep area here with a full-size fridge and a wall sconce with recessed lighting and a little hanging light. Lots of room to eat in here. And then it's also joined to this addition, which could be a variety of things: an office, a den, a tiny family room, but we have a triptych of west-facing lights here, south-facing here, and then this walkout here. This walkout probably requires a little bit of attention over in the next little while. The exterior glass is broken on that, so that's a single pane now. It's new. Let's just say it's new, okay? It's new. What do I mean by that? It needs to be new. It's new. It's crazy talk. So you can see how it's very bright, very sunny, and we have this fantastic, really large powder room. Now, I might say too large because this space here could really be used as more headroom here. Because having a second set of, or a revised set of stairs to the basement is a great idea, and we got lots of width and everything like that, but there is a headroom issue right there, okay? So that you may want to solve. And we get into this kind of mostly finished basement. The flooring could be relaminated or laminated, or you could put some flooring down. But for now, they've just got some carpet down here. We've got exposed brick on this side. We have drywall all the way around. I am 6 feet tall, and so I'm okay. But I'm gonna pinch a little bit over there because there's a floor drain here. And the ceiling height changes slightly over there. We've got a laundry over here with a newly replaced washer and a dryer. And that's the window I referred to before. And then we've got a great workspace back here with concrete floor, exposed brick, lots of shelving, copper water feed that's been replaced. Again, all the drains were redone all the way to the street. That's why you got this patch in the concrete. Another floor drain, a rental hot water tank, a newer furnace. No knob and tube that I can see. We are waiting for the inspection report, so please read that before we come to any firm conclusions. But that's mostly Romex, and all that's been replaced. Let's whip upstairs. I'll see you there. Okay, let's head up these stairs, which have new runners on them. And we're gonna see a nice big landing with a natural light, plus a wall sconce for evenings, and an LED light. We've got more original flooring, which should be either refinished or covered up with newer flooring, up to you. It's not too noisy, it's all right, but it certainly needs to be kind of redone in one way. We got lots of room here. The family bathroom, which is now south facing at the back of the house where the addition was. And you're gonna see a lot of major improvements in this area. Big window, kind of a sloping ceiling. Got a shower with a handheld and a range shower head, elongated toilet, big deep tub, little storage over there, this nice ribbon of tile along here, lots of storage, and a great view of your huge backyard. Okay, and there's a fan, and there's lots of lights. There's a pot light, a recessed light in the shower stall, an LED light here, and a big light there. Let me expand this a little bit. So the rear bedroom has these French doors. It has this IKEA cabinet, which is included in the sale. South-facing light. This light fixture is remotely controlled as well, just because oddly the switch for that room is right there. So hopefully the kids won't play games on each other. But they have a remote to it, which also changes the temperature of that. We're going to find that this railing is a little lower because it is like this original from this time period, so it wouldn't meet code today, but it's fine. Got a closet in the middle bedroom. It's a good size. We had a lot of furniture in here before, so we have kind of emptied it out a little bit. Okay, and an LED light fixture on a dimmer, and let's move into the back right as we pass the linen closet, which is nice and deep. And we also have this other linen closet at the end, which I don't know if I mentioned, but that is included as well. And the primary bedroom spans the full width of the house, has a bay window and this kind of fantastic window in the side here. Lots of room for potential closets, although you do have double closets here. LED light fixture, lots of depth. And then these windows, which are a little older. These two awning parts are broken off, but this one is functioning. But you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but there seems to be some patterning, kind of the initial signs of a break in the vapor in these two windows, but these ones are all good. Now, here's a little hint. If you're buying a house, you want to know the windows. Sometimes they have the date that says 1981, so that's how old these windows are. So they could use a refresh, or you could just change aspects of them if you wanted as well. I think that concludes our quick tour. Thanks for joining us. Please come by an open house or call your realtor and have a tour. Bye.